Hello, my name is Brenda Heyward. The information you may view may need to be asked of a specialist. I am not an attorney, real estate agent, or tax accountant. This video will highlight some of the paperwork needed when you decide to sell your home. This video is called Home Sellers, Paperwork Only. This video will highlight additional information to your questions on what other information can be helpful and added to your need to know list. Viewers, I hope you brought your notebook and pencil. Sellers, put together a list of all the required documents and view them prior to the sale of the property. This is one of the hardest parts. Some of the documents may only need to be printed off of the websites or found in an updated envelope from the companies sent to you. Some of the documents are the mortgage statement payoff amount, homeowners insurance records, homeowners association documents, home repair and maintenance records, and capital improvements receipts, manuals and warranties, past utility bills, documents needed for listing your home, listed agreement, proposed marketing plan, comparative market analysis, sales net sheet, documents to have ready while the home is on the market, preliminary title report, PM, disclosures, pre-inspection report, national hazard report, documents needed when offers are made, purchase offer and counter offer forms, final purchase and sale counter offer forms, final purchase and sale agreement, contingency removal form, document needed between contract and close, home inspection report, home inspection report, final documents needed to sell the house, most recent tax statement, seller estimate of the closing statement, the deed, and 1099 forms for tax. While you dig around in the forms, sellers, please find the original sales contract where you purchased the home. The original contract outlines the who, what, where, when, and why of your purchase of the home. This agreement can highlight what you will be going through in the future when you sell your home. The previous contract sales notes the price, purchase, and whatever disclosures were found at that time. The purchase agreement will also remind you of what items to add to your disclosure that were not a problem for you. Sellers, the home appraisal is an assessment of the fair market value of your home at the time of the purchase and how much the lender will lend you if the purchase of the property. The old appraisal is helpful. However, the buyer will go with the brand new appraisal so that they can purchase the home unless you are working with a cash buyer. Sellers, just to let you know, in some states, you may need to provide a copy of the appraisal report to the buyer as well as any updates since the original purchase or if you refinance the property. Sellers, please contact your mortgage lender and request a mortgage payoff amount. The payoff amount is what will satisfy the mortgage company that will allow you to transfer the property out of your name to the buyer. I must say the payoff amount requested from the lender is usually good for 30 days because if you pay monthly, they will receive another payment and that reduces the amount due, even if it's only a few bucks lower. The amount of the payoff slip will show what you owe on the bank loan and any interest you still owe until the day of the loan will be paid in full. Just a heads up, the payoff amount is not the same as the current balance that appears on your monthly mortgage statement, which may not include interest. When requested, the lender is required by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to get this information to complete the sale of the home. In the big picture, this figure will enable you to calculate how much you owe on the house, if you have enough to pay, and other fees needed at closing to do whatever with whatever funds may be left. Sellers, please pull out your homeowner's insurance policy. You want to be able to be transparent with the buyers about any mishaps that happened over the years that include damages and repairs made to your home. Buyers will also need to see a copy of your proof of a homeowner's insurance as well as claims reported on the home since you purchased the home. You, the seller's homeowner's insurance policy, will give the buyers an idea of how much it may cost them when they move forward with the purchase of their home with their own home insurance policy on the property. Sellers, the homeowners association documents are needed for the buyers to review so that they can make a decision if this association is a good fit for them and what the yearly and monthly costs they can expect to be paid by them. Most HOA has certain guidelines about the appearance of the home and whether the new buyers will have the ability to rent their home out to other parties. When it comes to a HOA, the buyers need to review the government documents. The governing documents include articles of incorporation, bylaws, rules, and regulations, homeowners' dues amount, copies of the minutes of the meetings for the past 2 years, and the declaration and covenants, conditions, and restrictions. The paperwork required for the sale of the home may vary from state and county. Please, so check your required location. This is an educational purposes only. Please consult with your real estate agent or real estate attorney. Don't forget that every state has different requirements for documents needed to sell a home. So it is advisable to work with an agent with experience in your area. Please let me know if you like this video by clicking a thumbs up or leaving comments below. Also, if you have time, check out some of my other videos that may answer a few of your other questions you may have. My name is Brenda Heyward. Thanks for your time.